Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Utilize the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. As of the 11th of October, 2024, our system has classified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.11. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced an increase of 3.65%. This results in an average return of 0.46% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper section of a weak upward trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout at the upper trend line at $236.71 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 6.55% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 0.84% to 6.93%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a 30.33% change over the next year, with a potential return between 6.69% and 30.79%. This translates to a price range from $251.64 to $308.48 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Apple as stock downgraded to buy candidate." The Apple stock price decreased by approximately 0.262% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, dropping from $236.48 to $235.86. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.54%, with a day low at $232.61 and a day high of $236.19. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.47% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also declined on the last day along with the stock, which is a positive indication as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 100,000 shares, with a total of 35 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.25 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $237.49, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 0.69%, or $1.63, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Verizon's recent earnings report raises potential concerns for Apple, as the telecom giant reported a low upgrade rate for the iPhone 16, suggesting that sales fell short of expectations during the third quarter. This situation could result in short-term volatility for AAPL stock, as analysts evaluate the demand for the latest iPhone amid increasing competitive pressure. In another notable development, Disney has stopped allowing new signups for Hulu and Disney Plus through Apple's App Store, indicating a strategic shift that may affect Apple's revenue from App Store fees. The long-term implications might lead to greater scrutiny of Apple's App Store business model, potentially putting pressure on profit margins. On a more positive note, Apple's forthcoming artificial intelligence initiative, branded as Apple Intelligence, is anticipated to be launched this October, although mixed reactions could influence investor sentiment. A successful integration of artificial intelligence could boost user engagement and possibly drive future revenue growth. Despite current fluctuations, the overall interest in AAPL persists, with the stock trading near record highs. An increase in iPhone demand could further elevate Apple's market position, reinforcing its status as a leader in the technology sector. Finally, Qualcomm's announcement of its Snapdragon 8 Elite chip highlights the intensifying competition in the mobile space, prompting Apple to innovate further in order to maintain its competitive edge. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned AAPL a buy grade along with a hold action. On the same day, the 21st of October, 2024, Jefferies also provided AAPL with a hold grade and a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated AAPL as overweight while recommending a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, JP Morgan similarly rated AAPL as overweight with a hold action. Lastly, on Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Evercore ISI rated AAPL as outperform while also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $233.77 and $226.51. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, October 21st, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 0.262%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a specific configuration. This combination is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 120 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 108 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. In general, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.58 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.54%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.18%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $1.55. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $236.48. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $228.20. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Chris Kondo, who bought and sold a total of 17,989 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 25.4. Overall, insiders purchased 2,071,734 shares and sold 3,595,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $226.90, reflecting a decrease of 3.8%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to a minimal risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top detected 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, we anticipate that Apple will open lower, with an expected decline of 97 cents, starting at $234.89. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.